Today we're going to talk about momentum and impulse as a start to our physics unit 4, energy and momentum. So, what is momentum? Momentum measures an object's tendency to continue on its current path. It's a vector quantity measured as rho equals mass times velocity. The momentum vector rho points in the same direction as the velocity vector v, and its magnitude is mass times velocity. When solving problems, split the momentum into x and y components. The law of conservation of momentum states that initial momentum is equal to the final momentum. What this means is when objects collide, the total momentum of the system is conserved. What this means is that force lost by the heavier/faster object is gained by the smaller/slower object. In a closed system, momentum